Hello, wild thing. We're going to be talking about wildness today. The wildness is a huge factor in your breasts, in your sensuality, in your sexuality. We've been taught to fear or be ashamed of our wildness and our capacity for destruction. Beneath that conditioning is the original essence of your breast sensuality and confidence and self love and your sexuality as well. You probably have a wild heart. Your heart's wildness is really where you lose your sense of self, where you connect with something that's so much greater than yourself. What I've seen in myself and other women is that we are really craving this deep wildness in our core. Your wildness is highly related to liberation. When we tap into our wildness, we embody the fact that your pleasure and power are for you. It's for your energy, for your liberation. Do you allow yourself to be penetrated by the sun? Do you allow yourself to connect to the full moon? Do you allow yourself to howl? Oh! Do you allow yourself to be in your house without a shirt or a bra? Women hunger for these experiences, especially when they've never experienced that before. And then they do have an experience howling at the moon or swimming naked in the ocean. The more you value your empowerment and your wildness and your sensuality and your sexuality, the more you look out for yourself. It gets a lot easier to not care what people think about you because you begin to take the journey of realizing that everything someone thinks about you is really a reflection and a mirror. So, being seen and feeling protected in yourself is part of your journey with your breasts.